Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, hi, thank you so much for stopping by. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys a simple, elegant hairstyle on my natural hair. I blow dried my hair last night with low heat. I just wanted to stretch out my hair just because I find it easier to work with my hair. I do not always blow dry my hair, no, I just do it once in a while. If you guys want me to show you guys ways you can stretch out your hair without heat, let me know and I'll show you guys like different methods. Usually it's twist or braids or African threading. Anyways, I'm going to make a section in front here after detangling my hair and separating it, and I'm also going to make part my hair in two because I'm going to be putting the back section in a low bun. So this hairstyle concept was sort of like a low bun middle part, but then added, I just wanted to jazz it up a little bit. I didn't want the basic low bun. So now I'm going to just put the front section away just so it doesn't like mess up with the back. I'm also going to be using extensions in this video because I just felt the need, or I just felt like using extensions. So I'm going to go in with my holy grail. Is it holy grail? Is it the word to use? But I'm going to go in with my clip-ins. I use 2 clip-ins, the ones I always use. So I used a 3 clip-in and a 4 clip-in. I sort of dyed this clip-in to get as dark as my hair, but it got darker, but it still works for my hair honestly, and I'm not mad. So whenever I need like extra length for a style I'm doing, I just bring them out and use them, and when I'm done I just store them back where I keep my hair. So that's pretty much it. I'm going to put this in a low bun, and then I'm going to start working with the front section. At the front section I also added extensions. The extensions I added, I got them like 2 years ago, and I honestly don't know where I got them from, but I've had them in my hair stash for a really long time. So you can use kinky hair, you can use any other hair for the extensions I used in front. So I'm going to let you guys enjoy this video, and I'll speak to you guys towards the end, okay?
아침에 눈을 뜨자마자 느낀 설레임 Blossom 향기로운 달콤한 햇볕에 노인거리는 꽃 같아 다 보고 싶지 않는데 말하고 싶지 행복한
So I'm currently just brushing my hair and prepping it for the braid. Basically, what you want to do when you're doing this, you're going to make sure your hair is firmly or as close to your scalp as possible. So even when you're making the braid, you make it as close to your scalp as possible, so there's no bump or there's nothing creating a mess. As you can see, I'm just trying to check it, and then now I'm going to do the feeding method for the braids because that's what I know. If you do not know how to do the feeding method, you can just watch videos on YouTube. There are so many videos showing how to do the feeding method. So I'm going to do that to this part and also the second part, and
가르 I've been hanging on, counting days, thinking it was me all along. Had a million conversations in my head about where it went wrong. And I've got no idea where you've been, who you are, not anymore. All I got is this Polaroid picture of us from June 24th. It's where I kissed you for the first time, laid on your sheets. You gave me your heart and said you trusted with me, but all I did was let you down time and time again. It wasn't my intention, maybe we should have been friends. So, you're someone I used to know, but nobody said it'd be easy. But maybe I should've known. One more drink, just swallow it down. I gotta get you out of my mind. But nobody said it was easy. Maybe I should've known. I've been out till late, shifting beds, trying to kill the image of you.
Hello guys, this style is just a very simple, elegant style. It's not the basic low bun, but it's still a low bun. So even if your hair is not long enough for the low bun, you can just, do this style. If it's short, if it's long, that's great. I added extensions to this style. I added like 2 clip-ins because I wanted this puff to be fuller. But if your hair is longer than mine, then there's no need for you to add the extensions. It's giving date night outfit. Oh my goodness, it's giving date night hairstyle. It's giving elegance, it's giving class, it's giving I did too much but I didn't do too much. That's pretty much it for this hairstyle. Let me know your thoughts on this hairstyle. I've come to the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.